And then if I'm
Take
on the grill,
your
it's
time.
very fatty. Especially on the edges.
Dude.
This is the splendid table from American Public Media.
Wow.
Where do they rank on your top 10s?
What the actual
You know,
fuck?
right off the bat, I'm going to say, what's
One is best, 10 is worst.
One.
Therapist with my then boyfriend, male 36.
In Trump we trust.
After 3 sessions with her, I refused to return.
Wow, you had like
due
50
to
chances to go, Trump boy.
flirtatious behavior, an extremely judgmental attitude towards me.
Whoa! Whoa, buddy. Where is he going? Okay.
What was that? Final destination. Oh, okay, then you're good. Dude, those things are barely on there. I'm not even a IKEA meatball guy.
I know, but it's just funny to have a plate. Like, just looking at that plate is funny to me.
Yeah. What are you doing, lady? What are you doing?
Probably turning left.
Well, she should get in her lane.
She can't.
She could put a turn signal on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Look. She's going straight.
Maybe she thinks she can't get past the car.
Wow.
Wow, this guy's going up on the curb.
Hell yeah, that's how you should do it.
Actually, I don't think you should.
What the
This is not that big of a deal.
It is for me.
You need to chill the hell out. Are you farting? Maybe that was the problem.
What? I haven't. You?
What are you doing, you fucking idiot?
And then she says the money pot is now down to.
About their own
I wasn't
kind of infallibility.
What is going on? These
that
fucking
show
idiots.
infallibility at the thing they are.
He ran a straight up
Wow.
casual about it, so did he.
Wow.